We are here in Woodstown, New Jersey. This is a beautiful area filled with farmland, historic houses, and a new local favorite. We're going to ride the Woodstown Central Railroad, explore these charming communities, and take a look at these beautifully restored train cars. Let's go hop aboard and see what's in store for us today. So we are here with Paul Harlan. Paul, thank you for taking time to meet with us today.
Absolutely.
You're the Director of Operations of Woodstown Central Railroad.
Correct.
What sparked the idea to make a tourism railroad here in Woodstown?
I don't think it's anything that anybody really here had on an agenda. We had a steam locomotive that we're slowly rebuilding.
Okay.
And we had one piece of equipment to haul people in. The original goal was to use it for fun, staff, VIP events. This branch, this is what we call the Salem branch, became a possibility, and this runs from Swedesboro, New Jersey, in Gloucester County, all the way to the port of Salem in along the Salem River, and it's such a beautiful line.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Everything that SMS has done to date has been more industrial complex and freight operations.
Okay.
And then somebody suggested we should look into running, scenic tourist passenger trains in conjunction with the freight, and it just kind of took off. The local communities love it, and we love the support that we're getting.
So we're on the Brew to Brew excursion.
Yes.
What other excursions does the Woodstown Central Railroad offer?
So actually we're riding the Brew to Brew, and we're also riding what we call our Swedesboro local, which is people can choose to ride just a round trip train ride from South Woodstown Station to Swedesboro on Saturdays. In conjunction with the Brew to Brew train. Throughout the year we have Princess and Superhero trains, which the next one in June is all sold out. We have our Scenic Rambler, which is basically the combining of the two trains. We run the whole railroad. And then the fourth quarter is autumn leaf trains with pumpkins. We stop.
Oh, fun.
We stop at Fenwick Grove, and everybody can get off and pick a pumpkin and get cider and donuts.
Oh, that's so nice.
And then once Thanksgiving comes, it's all Christmas and Santa on board the train, which is
that's got to be amazing.
Wildly popular.
Well, thank you for joining us today and letting us film here today. I can't wait to get rolling and see what else is in store. We're here at Farmers and Bankers Brewing. This is one of the stops on the Brew to Brew excursion in the Woodstown Central. We're here with Mike, is the owner of Farmers and Bankers, and he's going to tell us, I understand you have a specialty beer that you made for the train?
Yeah, we brewed this vanilla porter especially for Woodstown Central Rail, highlighting their historic steam locomotive that they've restored.
Oh, wow. So if you take the train, you can come in, you can sit for a while, try some of the craft beers, and you can even try the specialty beer that you made for the train.
Steam engine number 9.
That's amazing. I had such a great day today here riding the rails with Woodstown Central Railroad. A special thanks to Paul Harlan, Director of Passenger Operations, Farmers and Bankers Brewery in Woodstown, and Swedesboro Brewing Company. Thank you for inviting us in today. We had a fantastic day. Join us until next time. I'm Colleen O'Hara, your host of The American Dream.